Our strength is our team. We believe in people, passion, and trust on people to get success. We mainly focus on innovation and adopt new technologies. We provide solutions for infrared optics, visible optics, optical systems, subsystems, and thin film coatings. We have world-class facility for manufacturing infrared optics by diamond turning, which is the latest technology used worldwide, and we do make aspheric optics, diffractive optics, hexagons by diamond turning, and testing by Telesur PGI. We recently installed world-class ultrasonic glass machining center, which is first in India, and it is used for glass machining, which is used in gyro sensors and monolithic glass machining, lightweighting for space mirrors. We are tied up with 30-meter telescope for hexing the 1500 millimeter mirrors, which is made from geroder, and sensors, which is completely glass machined and coated with gold. Optica manufactured and installed several systems in defense, like optical systems for hypersonic wind tunnel, transonic wind tunnel, and we are working now on mid-IR lidar, aerosol lidars, and night vision optics, thermal imaging optics. We provide right from design to development as a solution to our esteemed customers. We believe in quality and timely delivery. Our vision is to be world leader in electro-optic systems and components.